big of a snow we've got. This is kind of me, you know, see? Now realize, you see this van that's covered in snow? You can kind of see there's the top of the van and all that snow. That's all just from this second snowstorm. I pretty much cleared off the van before. So you can kind of see the tunnel that's made there. So I can actually get out to the road. So again, there are my cars. Put the wrist guide around my hand because this snow is so deep that if I drop this in, I don't think I can find it. It's not quite whiteout conditions, but it's definitely pretty wet. Now we're going to venture to the backyard where I will show you our Weber grill.